Well, hello. Let's talk about 5 ways to make worm chow with different ingredients. As a disclaimer, use your own discretion, and everything that you apply with your worm chow, it has to be blended up dry. The first way would be the simple method of worm chow, and that would be just use grounded up dry eggshells and grounded up oats. Another way would be the basic level of worm chow, and that would be to use grounded up eggshells, grounded up oats, and grounded up cornmeal. Now this mix would be considered the garden blend of worm chow. You would use oats, grounded up cornmeal, grounded up eggshells, dry grounded up leafy vegetables such as spinach or kale, and then you would use dried coffee to add to your worm chow, and that would be your garden blend. Another way you could use it is a protein blend. That would be grounded up eggshells, grounded up cornmeal, grounded up oats. You would use some soybean meal or chickpea meal to make the protein blend of your worm chow. And the last but not least would be the mineral-rich blend. It consists of eggshells, cornmeal, oats, coffee grounds. Use dry coffee grinds. Cornmeal, if I didn't say that. Soybean meal. And another ingredient would be dry alfalfa. So use at your own discretion. And what I would like to learn from you is, what do you use to make your worm chow ingredients? And this is what I used to make my basic ingredients in the past.